How to set up screen time management on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up screen time management on TikTok. So all you need to do is simply get started and follow these simple steps. First of all, you're going to go into your Play Store and make sure that your TikTok application is updated. And if it's not, just do it because the near features won't be able to support the previous versions of the TikTok application. Now that when it's done, all you need to do is simply get into your TikTok application. This would take you towards this page and you need to get into profile. So to get into profile, all you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon that is at the right bottom corner. And once you come or land over to this page, all you need to do is simply get onto your freelance icon or that hamburger type icon that is at the top right corner. And once you tap on it, a new dialog box would appear up suggesting creator tools, business suite, and settings and privacy. And as you know, you're just going to get on to the settings and privacy. And once you're on this page, you're going to scroll down and get into that about or that content and activity tab where you're going to go and tap on digital well-being. Once you're on the page for digital well-being, you're going to see two options: the restricted mode and the screen time management. In the screen time management, you're going to go and tap on it, and you can now select the screen time management of your choice. That means you are giving them time that you're going to spend on TikTok. For example, you'll get notified if you spend 40, 60, or 90 minutes or 120 minutes on TikTok per day. And if you reach your time, you have to enter a passcode to keep using the app. And this way you can manage your daytime or turn the setting on and off at any time. So I would simply turn it on, and now I can write or I can make my own passcode, and through that passcode it would really notify me whenever I exceed that time limit. So this is how you do it. This is how you set up screen time management on TikTok. And if there's anything I can help you guys with, or if you guys have any question or query, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to answer that. With this being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel of How to Digital. Till next time, peace, take care.